Good morning, students. Up to now we have learnt about number name, expanded form, face value, and comparing numbers, and ascending order and descending order. Okay. Today let us recall that all topics once again. Okay. Today I am going to say that all topics once again. Okay. Now watch this video completely. At the end of the video I have given homework, so watch this video completely. Okay, and if you are not able to understand any bit, you can contact me. Okay, now look here, our first chapter is numbers. What is our first chapter? Numbers. First chapter is numbers. Okay, numbers. Today I will explain here these bits. Okay, look here, check what I know. First bit, look at first bit, fill in the blanks. 10 ones make 1 dash. 10 ones make 1 dash. For example, I have 10 1 rupee coins. Okay, 1 rupee coins are there. 10 1 rupee coins are there. 8, 9, 10. These are 1 rupee coins. I have 10 1 rupee coins. Okay. If I gave these 10 1 rupee coins to a shopkeeper, I am giving these 10 1 rupee coins to shopkeeper and I am asking one note. One note I am asking. Note. Then which note he will give? Yes, these all are 10 1 rupee coins. 10 1 rupee coins. I am asking one note. Then which note he will give? Yes, he will give 10 rupee note. Okay, he will give 10 rupee note. Means here 10 1 rupee coins make 1 10 rupee note. Yes, 10 1 rupee coins make 1 10 rupee note. This is rupee symbol. Okay, means 10 1 rupee coins make 1 10 rupee note. Like that only. 10 ones. 10 ones make how many tens? Yes, 1 10. Okay, 10 ones make 1 10. Look here, 10 ones make 1 10. I hope you understood this. Here 10, these red color small boxes are there. No, these are 10 ones. These are ones. Okay, how many are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 1 rupee, 10 ones make 1 10. Okay, this is tens. Okay, these are green color are tens and these red color smalls are ones. Okay, now look here, B question. 10 tens make 1 dash. 10 tens make 1 dash. Same like this only. If I have 10 rupee notes, these are 10 rupee notes. Okay, 10 rupee notes. If I have 10 rupee notes, I am asking shopkeeper to give only one big note. Which note he will give? I am giving these all 10 rupee notes to shopkeeper and I am asking only one big note. Which note he will give? Yes, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 rupee note he will give. Yes, how many notes he will give? Only one. If I am giving 10 rupee notes, then he will give only 100 rupee note. Yes, means 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are there. These 10 tens will make 100. This is hundreds box. Okay. Here always remember, red color small squares, these are ones. Okay, these are ones, and these green color strips are tens. Okay, and these purple color boxes are hundreds. Okay, this is hundreds box. Okay, now by using these, we have to write the number and number name. Both we have to write number and number name. Here 4 questions are given. In this I will explain one. You have to write remaining. Okay, look here, I will explain this C question. Okay, C. Here these violet color are hundreds. What are these? Hundreds. And this red colors are ones. Here green color strips are not given, means tens not given. Tens not given. At that time you have to write number should be like this. This is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay, how many ones are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 should be written here. Next, how many tens are given here? No, not given any tens. So here 0. How many hundreds are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 should be written here. Therefore 404 is the answer. 404 is the answer. This is number name, this is number. Okay, you have to write number and number name. Okay, look here, these hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds given, tens given, ones given. Okay, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? Count here and write here. How many tens are here? Count and write here. And how many ones are here? Count and write here, like that. Here hundreds given, tens given, ones not given. At that time, at ones place you have to write 0. Okay, hundreds, tens, ones. At ones place you have to write 0. Tens, count here how many tens are here. Count and write. Ones, hundreds here, right? Okay, very simple. This purple color boxes are hundreds and green color are tens and red color small boxes are ones. If they gave purple color, you have to count it as hundreds. Green color means tens and red color means ones. Okay, I hope you understood this bit. Do this A, B, D complete in your textbook and send me. Okay, now look at third bit. Third bit. What is that bit? Yes, write the number and number name. Write the number and number name. Write the number and number name. Look at A question. Here this is expanded form. Already you have learned in previous classes expanded form. By using expanded form you have to write number and its number name. Number and number name. Here hundreds given. Yes, hundreds given means it is 3-digit number. If they give hundreds means it is 3-digit number. Okay, now 6 hundreds. This is ones, tens, hundreds. 6 hundreds. So at hundreds place you have to write 6. 7 tens. Tens place you have to write 7. And 5 ones. At ones place you have to write 5. Therefore we got 675. You have to write number name here. 675. Okay. Here hundreds and tens given, ones not given. So at ones place you have to write 0. Okay. Tens and hundreds right. Okay. Next here tens not given. At tens place you have to write 0. Okay. Write these numbers and write its number name also. Number name means like this spelling. Okay. Next, fourth bit. Now look at fourth bit. Do you know what is this? as these are abacus. Okay, write the number shown on each abacus. Okay, here A, B, C given. I will explain B1. Okay, look here. Very simple. We have to count these balls and we have to write the number here. Here, how many ones are given here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 ones. How many tens are given? No, nothing given. So 0. How many hundreds are given? 1, 2, 3. So 303. 303 is the answer. 303 is the answer. Okay. Like that, write these A and C. Okay. Here, fifth bit. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. Look here, I will write this one. Expanded form. Here it is 3-digit number. So here he gave 3 dashes. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are here? 5. So 5 hundreds are 500. 500 plus how many tens are here? 5 tens. 5 tens are 50. How many ones are here? 5 ones. So 5 ones are 5. 500 plus 50 plus 5. This is the expanded form. You also draw the 3 lines and keep plus symbol and write expanded form for these 3 numbers. Okay. Now look at 6th bit. This B, D, C, D are homework. Now look at 6th bit. Here write the face value and the place value of the digit in red. I have given this bit as homework, like by keeping underlining the digits. Yes, like that only you have to write. Here, look here. First one, 9 is in red. 9 is in red color. So we have to find face value and place value of the 9 in 295. Face value means same digit we will get. Here 9 is in red color. So we will get face value as 9 only. Face value as 9 only. Okay. Next, place value. 9 is in which place? Yes, this is ones and this is tens. 9 is in tens place. So we should write tens here. No, we should not write tens like that. Here place value given. So 9 tens are 90. So we should write 90 here. Okay. Here place value given. So we have to write the value of that place. Okay. We should not write tens, ones, hundreds. We have to write like this. 9 is in tens place. So 9 tens are 90. Here 6 is in hundreds place. 6 hundreds are 600. Like that. Okay. Next, look at 7th bit. Fill in the blank with greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. Look here children. 176-167 is there. You have to use these 3 symbols in this. Okay. 176. This is 3-digit number and this is also 3-digit number. We have to compare from hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. We have to compare from hundreds place. Here both are having 1 only. Both are having 1 only. So we have to compare next digit. 7. Here 7 is there. Here 6 is there. In this both 7 and 6, 7 is bigger number. Yes, 7 is greater number. So we'll get greater than symbol. 176 is greater than 167. Okay. Like this, complete these all bits. Now look at 8th bit. Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. So here this is 3-digit number. This is also 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number and this is 3-digit number. So always small number of digits number will be smallest. So 96 we will get first. 96. Then after 2 is here, 3 is here, 5 is here. In this, which one is smallest one? 272 is smallest one. So we'll write 272. Next, in this 2, 3, here 3 is there, here 5 is there. In this, which one is smallest one? 3. So 384. Next, 504 we will get. Okay. This is ascending order, right? Arranging the digit numbers from small to big. Arranging the numbers from small to big. This is descending order, opposite of the ascending order. Means we have to arrange the digits from big to small. Big to small. Here 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit. So first we will take 3 digits. Here 1 is here, 2 and 7. In this 1, 2, 7, which one is biggest one? Yes, 7 is the biggest one. So we'll write first 753. Okay. Next, in 1 and 2, which one is biggest one? 2. So we'll write 289. Then after 184. Then which one is remained? 99. So we'll write 99 here. Okay. Like this you have to arrange from big to small. Here small to big. Small to big. Here big to small. Okay. I hope you have understood these topics. Okay. And today's homework is, in each bit I said only one problem. Yes. You have to do remaining problems. Complete that all in textbook and send me the pictures of textbook. Okay. Complete these 3 and here complete these 2 and write number names for it, and here complete these 2, and here in the expanded form B, C, D, and here in the face value, place value B, C, D, and here 7th bit also B, C, D, E, F. Here for 8th bit write this in ascending order and descending order. Okay. Complete these all bits in textbook and send me the picture of the textbook. Okay. This is your today's homeworks. You have 2 homeworks. That is, first homework is to complete these all bits in your textbook. Complete all these bits in your textbook. Okay. Complete textbook page number 74 and 75. This is your homework. And one more homework is write 1 to 12 tables. 1 to 12 tables in your notebook. Okay. Write 1 to 12 tables in your notebook. Okay. And you have to write only one time. Okay, don't write 2 times, only one time. 1 to 12 tables, write neatly. Okay. Complete textbook page number 74 and 75 and 1 to 12 tables. Tables means 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. These are tables. Write that neatly in your fairness. Okay. And not only writing, you have to read tables. Okay. Learn 1 to 12 tables. Okay. Thank you.